Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 blurry font issues. So how to fix this type of error. Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. The first method is that first of all in the search box type adjust clear type text, open it. After opening that, click on next button, select one, select from any, click on next, select any, click on next and next button and click on finish. The second method is that in the search box type on system.cpl, open it. After doing this, that go to your advanced options, go to your settings, select adjust for best appearance, click on apply, OK and cancel. OK. The third method is that in the search box type a registry editor. In the search box type a registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, select the H key current user and expand it. After doing this test, select the control panel and expand it. Select the desktop. After doing this test, open a Win8 DPI scaling and set a value that is 0 to 1. OK button. After that, right click new and select the default 32-bit value and set a name is log pixels, LOGPIXELX. Open a log pixels, set a value that is 78 and click on OK button. After that, close the registry editor, close it, restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.